First, you want to type in StreamerBot. This will help you make actions to play sounds and switch scenes between OBS. Download it. Now type in HID macros. Make sure you unzip all the apps we downloaded and put them into the same folder. Download the latest version, and if that doesn't work, download a version after 2.0. Open OBS, go into Tools, and then go WebSocket Server. Now, make sure that you remember the server port and then copy the password. Open StreamerBot, go into Stream Apps, press Add. The version should be 5x. The port is the same on OBS, and then paste the password. Once you've done that, it will look like this. Server clients, go to WebSocket Server, and then auto start WebSocket Server and start server. Now go back into Actions, press Add, put the name of your scene on OBS. In Sub Actions, once you press Add, find OBS, then go into Set Active Scene and name it the same as your scene on OBS. You can now test it to see if it works, and it should switch between the scenes. Now to download sounds, go to My Instance. Press the sound you want. Then download it. And make sure you know where it is. Now once you've done that, go into StreamerBot, add a new action, make it the same name as the one you downloaded from My Instance. Then go to Sub Actions, Core, Sounds, and then Play Sound. Once you've done that, press the three dots on Sound File, press the sound you downloaded, and then test it. Now you should type Node.js, press the link, press download, and then follow the instructions. To test if it works, press Windows R, type in CMD, and then type node-v. If that doesn't work, but put a space between them. If it doesn't show the version number, then you've done it wrong, and you might need to uninstall it and then download it again, or trace your steps back. Also, I would advise you to run all these apps as an administrator. To do that, right-click on the app and then press Run as Administrator. Type in StreamerBot Actions Docs Local Script Handler. Press the link. Download the zip file folder. Now you should have a bat file actions handler. There should be an actions CJS and a build file. Move it to where your StreamerBot file is. Once you press build, put in the same actions on your StreamerBot, the exact same name. Now, when you pick the file name, make sure it doesn't have spaces or else it won't work. To test this, open the bat file actions handler, go to the VBS script file, the one with the blue icon, double click it, and then it should do whatever action you want. Now go to HID macros, type in the same name as the action, press scan, press a key on your macro key, then it should show that key number. Click run application, click the three dots, then scroll down to wherever your file is, select all files on the bottom, then find the VBS file, click it, and then test it to see if it works. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any further questions, just drop it in the comment section.